You can use Seedance for free and actually make money with it, but there are certain things you should know. But let's see the options to use it for free first. Option number 1, TikTok AI Cast. It's built right into TikTok, 4 free generations a day. Reddit users consistently call this the most reliable free method, and honestly, barely anyone talks about it. But it's just for TikTok. Option number 2 is Dreamina. That's ByteDance's own web app. Go to Dreamina's website, sign up with Google, pick Seedance here in the model list, of course. New accounts get a trial with a few hundred credits, roughly 2 to 4 clips a day on the free tier after that. Option number 3, CapCut. Seedance is built into the editor now. Just choose AI video, generate and edit in one place. Now, 2 honest warnings here. Free tiers keep shrinking, so what's true today might be gone the next month. And your free clips are watermarked. It's good for testing, for learning, not for client work. So just use free versions to learn so you don't waste credits, and then pay pennies per clip when you're actually earning. So how to actually make money with this one? Well, the first way, and this one's got hard, it's bringing old photos to life. People treasure old photos, a grandparent who passed, or a wedding shot, or baby's first steps. Seedance can gently animate a still photo. Just add a soft smile, or a slight turn, hair moving in the breeze. Just a few seconds, and it hits people right in the chest. And you sell these as keepsakes. You can use Etsy, you can use memorial groups on Facebook. Someone hands you a photo, you hand back a living moment. Now, this is emotional. Emotion is the easiest thing to sell in the world. They just want it. You can charge $20 to $50 a clip, and it takes you minutes. But why start here? Well, because it's the highest value for the least work. You're not competing on price. You're selling a feeling, and you don't need commercial rights for this. And you do a good thing for someone, right? It's a good thing. But one honest note, handle it with care. It's someone's memory, so yeah, be respectful. Be clear that it's AI, and only animate photos they own. Now, the catch for this one, and it's a big one, Seedance is so good that it scared Hollywood. It's that good with faces. And now, Seedance blocks real faces on purpose. ByteDance turned this off after privacy complaints and some lawsuits. So that keepsake idea, well, it fights you a little bit. Sometimes it refuses the photo entirely. It'll even flag AI characters wearing sunglasses. There's no reliable workaround, so here's what you do. You test the photo first before you take someone's money, all right? Some go through, some don't. Just know which before you promise anything, and just be upfront with the people, right? Just tell them, let me try it first, no charge if it doesn't work. And that honesty will save you refunds and bad reviews. All right, the second way to make money with this one, and it's the safest money on this list, it is product videos. Every small shop needs video ads now. Etsy sellers, skincare brands, local stores, none of them can afford a film crew. You fix that. You take their product photo, Seedance animates it into a slick ad, a candle flame flickering, camera pushing in, a watch catching the light. Now, why is this the safe lane? Well, it's their product. It's their photo. There are no faces, no brands, no copyright. It's just clean. The workflow here is to grab their photos, just use image to video. You prompt it simple, just slow push in or something like this, which you're seeing on the screen now, and just generate a few, and then just polish this in CapCut. You can find clients on Etsy, Instagram, Shopify. You just make one free sample and you send it, all right? You say like, I made this for your candles. I can do your whole shop. You can charge 30 to 100 a video. This can truly work. You can see that this person has 800 reviews on this one. And you can see that for a 15-second AI product, AI video, this person charges $70. This is the basic plan, but of course there are standard and premium ones. And honestly, your cost is pennies and of course time. I gotta say this always. This is not gonna be a get-rich-quick scheme. Forget about it. You're not gonna be a millionaire the next month. This requires work, but it's good and it can be done. But these are safe, more safe than keepsake videos. Seedance got those lawsuits and all of that. So just don't make celebrity clips promoting these products, all right? And you'll be fine. Don't make movie characters. Don't touch brand mascots. They get pulled, and legally, they're not yours anyway. Just use the content the client owns already, and content nobody owns. Their product photo, a generic ocean wave if you want, grandma's photo with permission from grandma. The second you use something famous to chase views, you've left the safe lane. And you don't need views for this one. You're not going to go viral. And the third way, and this is wide open, it's ads for local businesses. Everyone targets online sellers. Nobody targets the plumber. Nobody targets the dentist or the gym or the restaurant down the street. But here's the truth. These places run Facebook ads, and most of them look terrible. A blurry photo, some text over it, so you bring them cinematic. A restaurant can have a steam rising off a dish. A gym can have some punchy, high-energy video. A landscaper can have a smooth before and after of a yard. And you might ask why this one wins. Well, local businesses, those around you, they have budgets and they have zero competition for this service. A dentist isn't going to hire a film crew, but they will pay $100 for an ad that makes them look premium. And the move here is pretty simple. I always say that just come in with some value. Just go to the restaurant and show them the video you already made, right? And tell them, I can make 10 more of these if you want, for your meals, for whatever. And they will respect you for that. You can also get recurring clients this way. Just start local. Don't try to win the internet right off the bat. Go around you. One more thing you need to know before you sell anything. Every Seedance video has an invisible watermark baked in. It tags the clip as AI made. Detection tools can read it, so don't ever pass it off as real footage. All right? If a client thinks they're buying a real film shoot, you've got a problem coming. Just be upfront. This is AI generated. And most clients don't care. They just care that it looks good and that it costs a fraction of a film crew, but they need to know. And the last way, the fourth way, well, barely anyone does this. You can sell stock clips to YouTubers and editors or on the sites. They always need some background footage. This is going to be slow, but it is possible. You can build packs or, just sell them on Gumroad. These, well, you make them once and they sell forever. No faces, no brands, it's totally clean. But the trick here is that you use tags, right? Slow motion coffee pour, warm light, just make keywords. This is important here. I hope you notice the pattern in all four ways. The safe money is specific and a little boring, right? It's a candle ad or an ocean loop or a grandma's photo. Nobody's making viral headlines with those, but they're just quietly getting paid. The people who get burned chase the flashy stuff. They want to get millions right off the way. Celebrities, movie scenes, fake viral clips. The people who earn make product ads for businesses that pay them and businesses around them. It's the same tool, but it's the opposite outcome. And one last honest thing, free tiers will vanish. Filters will tighten, rules change monthly with this tool. So never build a business that only works on a free plan. Prove it earns. Use these free versions to learn the tool, to get experience with it, and then just use Dremina or don't use Higgsfield. It's a bit on the expensive side. Dremina has this basic plan, which is going to give you 1,500 credits per month. This is what you can start with. And then if you need it, you can just move over to the standard plan here. I'm not affiliating with it. I don't care. There's many other ways to get it, but this is the real play. Use these free options to learn the tool, to see what you can do with it. And first of all, I suggest that you start local. It's the hype now. Everybody wants some kind of an ad for a fraction of the cost. Just go around, make something for your local bakery, whatever, show them, and you will get a lot of no's. A lot of people will ignore you, but then just move on if this is something that interests you. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.